Welcome on today's video. We're going to talk about health benefits of bitter leaf onubo, and scent leaf onchuan or oshibu. We're going to talk about the health benefit. Okay, this is amazing. It works for curing malaria. If you want to use it and cleansing for heart, okay, you can use it to wash your heart, your inner heart. That is your heart or your kidney. It's highly medicinal. It's good for washing our heart. It will prevent your heart from damaging. It will prevent you from kidney problem. Okay, any kind of kidney problem. This is the health benefit, natural remedy that you can use to prevent yourself from having cough, having stomach pains, any kind of stomach pains, cough, kidney problem, heart problem. It also washes our vein. Okay, it washes our vein. If your vein block from anywhere or anyhow, this is going to wash it off, make it open. It washes blood as well. This is going to wash your blood and keep it pure. It's protecting your blood vessel. So how do we use it? Get bitter leaf, get scent leaf, nchuan and onubo. Wash it very well, wash it proper. Squeeze it, wash it with salt, please, 2 times. Then squeeze it after squeezing it like 20 to 30 minutes. Add a little water on it. Okay, press it. Okay, extract the water. When you extract the water, the bitter leaf and scent leaf water, you will squeeze it together, wash it together, squeeze it together. So you extract the first water is really bitter, but you have to do it. Okay, extract the water, keep it, sieve it. Okay, you can put it in a can, or if you want to finish it at the same time, if you want to put it in fridge, you can put it in your fridge, but don't allow it to block. So whenever you want to take it, you take it. Give it to your children as well. See, this is marvelous. Okay, it works perfectly. A friend of mine used to go to hospital all the time because of her children, her 5 kids. If they want to fall sick like this, all of them, they will fall sick at the same time. They have about 2 or 3 different family doctor. Until one day, I call her and I told her, "Are you not tired of going to hospital every 2 weeks? Every two weeks you'll be going to hospital." One day she called me and told me, "Please, do I know any doctor?" I said, "Yes, I have a doctor that treats my kids sometimes." So she said I should direct her to my doctor, and I did. And after that, another 2 weeks, she called me and said, "Madam, what is it? Come, please, let me tell you the natural remedy that you will use, and you will see your kids. They are not going to fall sick like that. Not that they will not be sick, but not always like before." And I told her about this natural remedy. She started doing it of a truth before God and man. They hardly visit hospital. They hardly go to hospital. Since then, the children, they are addicted to this. They like taking this. If you see where our children are taking it, drinking it, you will not even believe that it's bitter. They go to the fridge by themselves, bring the jerry can, take it and drink it often. So they started taking it since then till now. They don't fall sick like that. Before they will fall sick, before they will fall sick, it will be very, very difficult. They used to, the woman always have it in her fridge. She will squeeze it, put it in a gallon, and put it in her fridge. Children used to go and get it themselves. So it's, if you are eating sugar, please guys remember, this is another treatment for diabetes. Diabetes, if you know that you have diabetes, or you're diabetic, you are suffering from diabetes, you know anybody that is diabetic, please recommend this for that person. Recommend it. It's highly, highly medicinal. It works like magic. Guys, it works. Then, if you're having stomach problem, I've said it, you can use this. It works to treat yourself. If you are taking sugar, too much sugar, excess sugar, this is going to wash your system, prevent it from being diabetic. So that's why I say I will come here and introduce this for you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Remember to share this information. Let it go viral. Don't keep it to yourself. Thank you guys, and see you.